Hey everybody, welcome to this video. I'm Alan Richards and I'm here with this brand new video about using book review sites. These are to help you promote your book. So this is for every author who wants to use book review sites to help promote your book. It's all about getting people to know about your book. It works best in conjunction with an Amazon Kdp Select Promotion. And this combination allows you to get your book promoted for free without having to pay out loads of money in advertising. So here's what I'm going to cover right now. Firstly, how to run a Kdp Select promotion. And secondly, how to use book review sites to support your promotion. So first of all, why should you run a Kdp Select promotion to start with? Well, we all know that books don't promote themselves. And if you publish with Amazon, you've got your you've got your Kindle book on Amazon, you can enter it into what Amazon call the Kdp Select promotion. The way that works is that you're able to offer your book for free, your Kindle book for free, for up to 5 days every 90 days. And this typically has a huge effect in terms of promotion of your book. Loads of people will go there and download it if you simply do this. Now, of course, you want to maximize that promotion once you've set it up on Kdp Select, and that's where the book review sites come in. First of all, how do you set up a Kdp Select promotion? Well, first of all, you have to have your Kindle book on Amazon. You sign into kdp.amazon.com and you use your username and password that you used when you set up that Kindle book on Amazon. So either you set it up or you got somebody to set it up for you. So go back to kdp.amazon.com, sign in, and you'll be taken to a page where it displays your books. Click on the Kindle book that you want to promote, and then use the button that says Promote and Advertise. Now, you'll get a screen that's got several options on there, and you want to pick the one that says Free Promotion. When you pick that, they'll invite you to say the number of days that you want to promote, the start date and the end date. So you enter all of those when you want your promotion to start. Once you've done that, you can sign back out. That's your promotion done, and that will happen on those dates. Now what we're going to do is find out the book review sites that can help you promote that promotion. The easiest way to do that is to go into Google and type in free book review sites, and you'll typically get several lists of those sites. Now you want to weed through those and find out the ones that are actually free and the ones that will charge you. You may as well use the free ones first, mightn't you? So go to each one, and you'll find they vary a bit in terms of the layout of the site. So you go to each one and then you find the page that deals with free promotion. When you get to that, you'll typically have to put in your book's title, your author name, the page on Amazon that the book is on, the Kindle book is on. And to do that, you just go to Amazon, search for your book, grab hold of that link and put it in. Some sites want you to put in a description. Some sites want you to put in the book cover. They vary a bit. Some will have the categories, all sorts. But you know, if you follow them through, follow all that through, and click OK, and that's your one book promotion site set up. Then just do that for the next one and carry on doing it. A couple of tips. It's no good just signing up with one. You've got to sign up with several. I recommend at least 20. So this can be a bit time consuming to get it all registered. The most important thing is that you put in the dates of your Kdp Select promotion into the book review sites just as you did with Amazon, so they correspond. And you'll need to do this at least 8 days in advance, because that's the amount of time that the book review sites will take to review the information that you've put in and approve you. So 8 days in advance. So what are the big takeaways from this short video? First of all, you can promote your book effectively for free, and I recommend you do. You can use Amazon's free Kdp Select Promotion days in order to make that promotion happen, and you can leverage that promotion with free book review sites. Overall, the biggest takeaway I would say is that you can use book review sites to get people to know about your Kdp Select promotion without having to pay out loads and loads of money in advertising. Now, if you're an author and you want to turbocharge this process, drop what you're doing and check out an article I've written on alunloves.it, alunloves.it, bookpromoart, bookpromoart, so that you can get your book promoted fast. That link will be below this video, so check it out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again.